Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Susie's Touches, the girl guru that you know. And guys, I make hair. I'm now in the UK and my hair page is hair_hair by Susie. So this particular person, I locked her hair and she said she wanted twist. So this is what I'm trying to see. And guys, I'm now in the UK. Try as much as possible to follow me, to like and see more of my videos. Look at her hair, very nice. Like, I was so happy when I did. Even she was so impressed, and she gave me, guys, guess what, she gave me £5 extra as a tip. Like, thank you, I love my hair. Guys, do not forget to like, subscribe and follow me. I'm going to start to make more videos of how you can lock your hair, how you can micro twist your hair, and how you can pack it, how you can style it, and how to make it beautiful. Thank you.